Hey beautiful people, I'm back with another YouTube video. I'm gonna show you how I got this simple makeup look. Before I start, I'm trying to remove some lipstick that I was wearing earlier and making sure that my face is clean and clear. Real fast, take your makeup primer and apply it everywhere on your face with your hand. As you can see, my face is getting smoother than before, which is preparing my skin for my foundation. That is the next step. I don't want to use too much foundation, but a medium amount of it is perfect for now. Apply it and blend with a brush. Don't forget your under eye, your neck, and your ears, of course. You don't want your face to have a different color than the other parts of your face. Next is to do your eyebrows. I'm gonna try to do them fast on a mirror because it is so much easier and fast. Doing your eyebrows on a camera is very hard and you might end up having your eyebrows done in a bad way. Next step is to apply concealer. Use a concealer brush or your fingertips to dab it under your eyes, your forehead, down your cheek, to your nose, and keep blending the concealer in around the edges so that there is not an obvious change in tone between your skin and the concealer. Next, we do the eyeshadow. Choose any shade of color you want and apply onto your eyelids with a brush. Blend it real fast and choose a second shade if you want and blend it to give your eye makeup more dimension. If you want to use an eyeliner pencil to give your eyes more vibes, you can. Like I'm applying it to my bottom line to just give a cool look to my eyes. But if you think it's not necessary because your eyeshadow does the work already, then you don't need to. Apply mascara to pop your eyelashes, of course, otherwise something will be missing. And do the top and bottom as well. Apply a blush of any of your choice to your cheeks and then use a separate clean brush to blend well. Do both sides and keep blending. Next step is to take a powder of your favorite skin and apply it with a different brush into your face.
Yeah, I'm grateful. Oh baby, I don't really do this, but Bruce G be the dude to remove the bluff. Fake chick wanna talk like she knew what's up. Every time I step in, they say who, the what, the where, the how. Fly niggas smear the ground.
Make sure to highlight your nose and the top of your lips, of course. After your makeup, apply a lip gloss or lipstick of your choice to add a beautiful finish to your makeup.
Girl, you make them run.
The last step of this tutorial is to apply a spray setting to shine your look all day. That's all I did to get this amazing look. Every step I used will be down in the description and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Flex for you. Get fresh, catch a busters to hit you up. Got me on speed dial, just press 1 if you really need me now. Press 4 if you miss me. Press 3 and out.
Sorry, you have reached a number that has been disconnected or is no longer in service. If you feel you have reached this recording in error, please change the number and try